Guys, turn on your cameras. हर एक रोज हर एक गाना गाता है, क्लास के पहले, क्लास के पीछे। ओके, ठीक है। कैसे हो सब? अच्छे हो? बढ़िया।
यस सर।
क्या हाल है भाई? बताइए सब लोग। बढ़िया चल रहा है? हाउ यू गाइस आर डूइंग?
Yes, sir.
Doing
Good,
good?
sir.
Everyone? Only Anjali and Arvind only doing good? What about others?
Good only.
Don't know? Don't know? You don't know? Amrutji,
Sir, I
don't?
said good. Good sir, doing good sir.
Doing good. चलो ठीक है, अभी शुरू करते हैं हमारा चैप्टर। कौन सा चैप्टर है? ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, शुरू करेंगे। देखो, हमने शुरू किया था कल, 2-3 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे हम लोग। आज उसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे, ठीक है। तो एक मिनट। So till what we have discussed, till radians, right? We have learnt what is the degree and radian. So we have learnt two systems, isn't it?
Yes, sir. So now we should discuss relation between degrees and radians.
Yes, yes. Relation between the radians and degrees. Why Disha is laughing? Why Disha? And you turned off your camera. Why? Turn on camera. Turn your camera. Chalo. So relation between radians and degrees. So we have learned degrees and radians, right? So for measuring an angle, we'll be using two methods. First one is sexagesimal system as well as circular system. Sexagesimal system, where uh, using that particular system for finding the angle in degrees, and this circular system will be using for finding an angle in radians. So I told you degree will be denoted by like this. All right, 90 degrees. So if I ask you radians, radians means what? We have to write on the head of a number small c. Clear? So I told you what exactly that radian and degree is all about. So let us try to discuss now relation between radian and degree. What is the relation between the theta and what is the what is the angle? What is the definition of arc length? What is the formula for arc length? Yeah, with angle. What is the angle formula here? Theta is equal to L by R. What is L here? What is L here? Length of arc. क्या है? Length of arc. ठीक है. Theta is what here? Angle. Theta is angle. R is what? Radius. क्या हाल है? सब पता है हमारे को। अभी देखो हम लोग शुरू करते हैं। क्या क्या पढ़ेंगे आज? रिलेशन बिटवीन रेडियंस एंड डिग्रीज। रिलेशन बिटवीन रेडियंस एंड डिग्रीज, ठीक है। रिलेशन बिटवीन रेडियंस एंड डिग्रीज. सो बेसिकली गाइस, व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, सी हियर, अगर 180 डिग्री है तो इसको क्या डिनोट करता है? पाई से, ठीक है। क्या बोलता है? पाई। सर पाई तो ये होगा ना 3.14 समथिंग, ये कुछ होगा ना, ये नहीं होता है भाई, वो दूसरा होगा, वो डेसिमल्स में। हम लोग रेडियन में पाई डिग्रीज इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, सो 180 डिग्रीज इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, पाई रेडियंस. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट सपोज आई एम राइटिंग 90 डिग्रीज. 90 डिग्रीज हाउ आई एम राइटिंग 9 पाई बाई 2, इजंट इट. सही है ना भाई. पाई है, एक पाई है तो उसको क्या लिखते हैं हम लोग, 180 डिग्रीज ना. अगर 90 बोलेंगे तो क्या लिखेंगे, इसमें आधा कर देंगे ना बस,
180/2.
180 बाई 2, तो 90 पाई बाई 2 कर देंगे ना. See guys, pi means 180 degrees, pi by 2 means 90 degrees. All right. So now 270. 270 means 90 into 3. So 90 into 90 मतलब pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 मतलब कितना, 270. ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं ना. Understand children? Are you guys able to understand? So
Yes, sir.
understanding like this. So look at it. Let us try to write from first one. Look at the first thing is what? First thing is what I told you as 90. Pi by 2 को, pi by 2 means what, 90 degrees, or you write 90 degrees is equal to pi by 2. See, simply pi by 2. Pi by 2 means what, it is in radians. All right, if I write simply pi, it is in indirectly, c is hidden here. Even you write the c and you are not writing the c, it's not going to make a sense over there. All right guys, am I recording? Is it recording guys? Yes. Is it recording? Can you check it out once?
Yes, sir, it's recording.
Yes. Look at this. 90 degrees is equal to what? Pi by 2 radians. So pi by 2 radians. Radians means on the head of the pi we must write small c. Small c means what? It is in radians. Is it clear with everyone? Is it clear? Yes or no? Huh.
Sir.
Look at this. Huh. Now if I write 180 degrees, 2 times of pi. Yes or no? 2 times of pi by 2. 2 times of 90. So pi will be also pi. Yes or no? If I write 270 degrees, 3 times of 90. 3 into 90 is what? 270, no? So 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Even you are not writing C here, that is not going to make a sense. Clear? So if I need 360, 360 means 2 times of 180. So 2 pi. Clear? This is fine. What is 45 degrees guys? 45 degrees means what? 45 degrees means what? इसमें आधा कितना है? Pi by 2 by 2. How much? Pi by 4. Clear? If I need 60 degrees, 60 means what? Pi by 6. How? 180 by 3 करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? So 180 by pi by 3 here. So 180 by 3 means 3 ones 360, right? So 180 pi means 180 here, and 3 means 3. Okay, cancel. I'm getting 60 degrees again. Yes or no? So 60 is 60 degrees. In radians, what is the 60? What is the notation of 60 degrees in radians? Pi by 3, isn't it? If I ask you whatever, look at this, vice versa, you have to go like this. Yes or no guys? Understood children? So basic thing, you should know this. You should know all these things, basics. Okay. These are all things are in radians. Whatever the black circles are here, these all are in what? Radians. Radians का मतलब क्या होता है? Radians. If I'm writing all this thing in radians, see here, I don't have anything. Power of this is I don't have anything. So I must write C here. Power C. Even I don't have power, even I don't write C, it doesn't mean that it is not in radians. It is hidden over there. Look at this here. 2 plus 2. What is the difference between these two? If I don't write 2 here, it doesn't mean that it is not plus 2, isn't it? It's a plus 2 only. But plus is hidden over there. Yes or no? Yes or no? I look at this here. Talk. I call this as a talk. I cannot call this as a talk. I cannot call this like that. L is a hidden. L is a silent. Hidden over there. Right? That pronunciation is hidden. So like that. You understand children? You understand my part? I hope you you understood clearly. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now look at this here. Chalo, you just now look at this here. So what I understood, so therefore from this what can I write? So therefore 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees by pi. 1 radian is equal to, understand? So 180 degrees by pi, if you divide this guys, how much you're gonna get? It will be approximately 57.27 something dash degrees. Clear? Approximately. This is approximately. Let us say this is a symbol for approximation. This is a symbol for approximation. Guys, this is different and this is different. This is approximately. What is the meaning of this? Approximately. This is equal. Correct? समझे? Understood? Yes. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? So for converting into degrees, from radians into degrees, for converting radians into degrees, I must use this formula. Clear? Very important. Chalo. Now remember, now I'm writing a note here. Very important note. Look at this. Very, 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 very important note. Look at this. Very, very important. Everyone. To convert, to convert guys, let me ask, before writing this, let me ask one thing. Guys, everyone, please turn on your camera and just look at the screen. हाँ, बेटा इधर देखिए एक बार. मैंने actually I'm writing on the screen, right? I'm just writing with handwritten notes I'm giving you. Do you want me to give already ready-made notes, or this is a fine? If I give ready-made notes, I have to just make a margin and just explain that blah 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 blah. It won't be effective that much. That's what I feel actually. If I write each and everything so that you can, meanwhile, simultaneously you also can copy and just try to listen it properly. So if I just make a ready-made note, for example, this is a page ma. Look at this. If I just mark, margins like this, oh, if I read, if I keep on reading that, you won't be able to understand.
Sir, do you have ready-made notes for these things?
Oh yeah, ready-made note in the sense, not handwritten notes. I have that, typed, typed one.
Yes, sir, because like I tried not to write during the class, but understand the concept first, and then like if I have time, I'll write. But so like
Yes,
I normally don't write notes. So can you give us notes also? Like in class, this is very effective, but like after class, can you?
yes, definitely, I understand.
Okay.
For that, yes, for that I'm sharing the notes, right? Class notes I'm sharing, right? Why can't you copy after
Yes,
going
sir.
home? That is a task.
Yeah,
If
that will do, sir.
ah, guys, aren't you looking at a Google Classroom every day? Every day, each and every day, I'm sharing the notes. Each and every
Yes,
day,
sir.
not a single day. Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, guys, I'm sharing each and every day class notes.
Yes, sir. I'm seeing every day.
Please go through that and see that. Understand? So look at this. So what would like, what would you suggest on this? So do you want me to give the ready-made? See here, ready-made note in the sense already, I'll be, somewhere. I have already, what do you call that word, PDFs of that. So I can just, insert over here. And after inserting, I just need to mark a line so I can finish the entire theory part within 10 minutes. I do not want to do that basically. So within 10 minutes, we can finish. Simply if I read means it won't be understandable, right? If I write each and everything and explain, it won't be, such a, it will be very effective in such a manner. All right. As far as I concern, what I concern is like, I have to write and explain so that it would be easy for me to, explain, as well as it would be easy for me to, make you to understand as well. Clear, children? Shall we go like this, or do you want me to give? Do you want me to do like that? You have to give your.
No, this is fine, sir.
This is fine. What do you say, Arvindji? What Disha says, and what Abhinaya says, and what Tanvi says? What's your opinion on this?
Sir, this is fine.
What about others?
So this is fine, sir. No need of ready-made notes. Sir.
Okay. Tanviji?
It's fine, sir. Like, anyways, it's okay. In maths, we have to write the question right, the answer of the question.
Yeah.
So no matter what, we have to write it. So
Yeah. See here, even I have with the question theory part. I'm saying questions. Sometimes I can make insert. If I insert the question here, look at this here. Can you see insert option here? Can you see the insert option on the screen, left side? Insert. If I just click on the file, I can just I can just go and just attach the file somewhere here. But I do not want to do that. If I attach, so what will happen is, after taking print, Control P, look at this here. After taking, look at this here, one page is happening. If I give a print here and save as a PDF and share it to you, after inserting a file, after inserting a file and taking a PDF, it won't be visible for you guys. I do not know what the technical issue over here, but yeah, that's what happening. So that's why I'm not writing such everything. I'm writing with a hand and explaining you. That would be better actually. So that's what I feel. Mathematics basically, there won't be that much effective. Whenever you are, just making a lines and reading like a social and physics. I mean, like social and biology. In biology, social, you can just mark line and read that. It will be effective. But mathematics is not like that, right? You have to solve. You have to put your pen on your paper. Then only you will get to know what exactly happening on that. Right? So that's why. So everything is okay with this. Amrut ji?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. To convert radians into degrees, multiply मल्टीप्लाई विथ 180 डिग्रीज बाई पाई, ठीक है। सो नेक्स्ट, टू कन्वर्ट डिग्रीज, उल्टा डिग्रीज, अरे देखो ये क्या हो रहा है, डिग्रीज इंटू रेडियंस मल्टीप्लाई विथ, उल्टा क्या करेंगे, पाई बाई 180, समझ रहे हैं। देखो डिग्री हमको क्या करना है, डिग्री से रेडियन से डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, फॉर कन्वर्टिंग रेडियंस इनटू डिग्रीज आई नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 180 बाई पाई, ठीक है। फॉर कन्वर्टिंग डिग्रीज इनटू रेडियंस आई नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ पाई बाई 180, समझ रहे हैं। सो रेडियन से डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए ये करना चाहिए, पहला 180 आना चाहिए, 180 डिग्रीज ना, नीचे पाई आना चाहिए, किसको, रेडियंस टू डिग्री, आरडी करने के लिए, आरडी करने के लिए ये चाहिए, एंड डीआर करने के लिए क्या चाहिए, पाई ऊपर आना चाहिए, समझ रहे हैं, आ रहा है समझ, समझ रहे हैं बेटा, आ रहा है समझ। आरडी मैंने आपको शॉर्टकट बता रहा हूँ, आरडी रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए ये आना चाहिए, एंड डॉक्टर करने के लिए क्या चाहिए, पाई बाई 180। मैंने याद रखने का, याद करने का तरीका बता रहा हूँ, ये रिसर्च एंड डेवलप क्या आ रहा है यहाँ पे, ये डॉक्टर क्या कहाँ से आ रहा है यहाँ पे, ऐसा मत पूछना, ठीक है। आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एन हिंट टू रिमेंबर दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग, क्लियर। चलो, I hope you understand guys, we'll solve a couple of questions then you will be able to get to know that clearly। चलो हम लोग बेसिक सा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, बेसिक सा क्वेश्चन। देखो बेटा हमने पहला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ले लेंगे, इसको देखो ये क्या दिया है, पहला क्वेश्चन को समझना बहुत जरूरी है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। लुक एट दिस, 5 पाई बाई 12, 5 पाई बाई 12, ये क्या है, सी, सी का मतलब ये क्या है, 5 by 12. Even even I'm not giving C on that, what does it mean, it is in radians now, what is that, it is in radians. So what I have to do is equal dash degrees, how many degrees I'm asking guys, look at this here, I'm asking you to convert this thing into degrees, convert this thing into degrees, convert into degrees. Look at this, how to convert this, basic thing, see here, convert, it is in radians, right, radians to degrees, rd करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, पहला हमको मल्टीप्लाई विथ क्या, 180 डिग्रीज डिवाइडेड बाय पाई करना चाहिए, सिंपल सा। लुक एट दिस, पाई पाई गया, 12 ones 12 15, सो 5 into 15 हाउ मच, 75 डिग्रीज, ये होगा हमारा आंसर। कितना सिंपल सा है देखो, समझ रहे हाउ सिंपल इट इज। एस आर नो गाइस, एस आर नो, yes or no,
Yes, sir.
look at it. I'm giving you one more question now, 7 pi by 12, convert into degrees, same thing, same question, convert into degrees, make it fast, make it fast, make it fast, make it fast। आंसर क्या आया, व्हाट इज आंसर, अरे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने में इतना टाइम क्यों लेते हो आप,
Sir, the first one should be 125 degrees, right?
Huh?
The first one, you wrote 75 degrees.
15 5 कितना होता है फिर,
125.
अरे यार 15 5, 15 प्लस 15 125 कैसा होता है बेटा, देखो 15 5
75.
5 5 are 25, 5 1 are 5, 5 plus 2 75, ये तो सिंपल सा मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल है बेटा। yes or no,
Okay, sir.
5 5 into 15 75 होता है, not 125, 25 into 5 125 होता है, समझ रहे दिशा, समझ रही हो।
Yes, sir.
देखो इसको, इसमें क्या आता है, देखो सेकंड वन, व्हाट इज द सेकंड वन, टेल मी, ये नो वन इज टेलिंग द आंसर, व्हाई 7 पाई बाय 12, इसको क्या करना है, डिग्रीज में कन्वर्ट करना है। सर हियर यू डिडंट राइट सी, सो वी वोंट कन्वर्ट सर, अरे यार इधर सी भी नहीं, सी है अगर नहीं है तो उससे कोई लेने देने का नहीं है, अगर है तो भी कोई ना और नहीं है तो भी कोई ना, ठीक है। देखो हम क्या करेंगे, ये रेडियंस में है, indirectly guys it is in radians only, understand? If I'm not writing c on that head of the particular thing, it doesn't mean that it is not in radians, it is in radians, that c is hidden part, okay। 7 pi by 12 into 180 by डिग्रीज में कन्वर्ट करना है ना, 180 डिग्रीज बाई पाई। देखो इसको कैंसिल करो फिर से, 12 1s 12 15, सो ये देखो -105, दिस इज 105, क्लियर माँ? यस और नो? माइनस है ना, माइनस है तो माइनस एज इट इज लिख रहा हूँ, understanding or not guys, you tell me।
Yes, sir.
Now let me ask you a question, clearly I'm giving you now third question, 1/3 रेडियंस, इसको डिग्रीज में कन्वर्ट करो। कन्वर्ट इनटू डिग्रीज, मेक इट फास्ट, टकाटक टकाटक कीजिए। देयर इज नथिंग लाइक वी आर रीडिंग रॉकेट साइंस एंड वी आर वर्किंग ऑन रॉकेट साइंस। अरे यार इसमें कोई इतना बड़ी बात है क्या, इतना बड़ी बात है सॉल्व करने में, बहुत सा सिंपल है ना, जल्दी से सॉल्व कीजिए, करो भाई
Sir?
करो। हाँ
Sir, I'm getting 1/3.
1/3 कहाँ से आ गया भाई, डिग्रीज में कन्वर्ट करो, डिग्रीज में। हाँ अच्छा, आपने पूरा कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो, ठीक है 1/3 सही है बेटा, 1/3 डिग्रीज,
1/3, sir.
हाँ 1/3 है ना, इसको थोड़ा पाई से लिखेंगे, इन टर्म्स ऑफ पाई, टेल मी इन टर्म्स ऑफ पाई, 1/3 इंटू 180 डिग्रीज बाई पाई लिखेंगे ना, सो ये क्या हो गया 60 डिग्रीज ना, इसको कैसा लिखेंगे हम लोग 60 बाई पाई डिग्रीज लिखेंगे, बस ये होगा फाइनल आंसर। समझ रहा है, कोई डाउट यहाँ पे, कोई डाउट? हाँ यू गाइस आर डूइंग लाइक 60 बाई 180 डिग्रीज, तो ये क्या होगा 1/3 डिग्रीज, ये भी अच्छी बात है, कोई ना कोई फर्क नहीं, ठीक है सही है अमरुद जी, राइट आंसर अमरुद जी, डन गाइस। तन्वी यू अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
चलो व्हाट इज योर नेम? अंजलि जी, दिशा जी, अरविंद जी, व्हाट इज योर नेम? अमृता जी, व्हाट्स योर नेम? अभिनया जी, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट, so 11/16, make it fast, is in radians, convert it to degrees, convert it to degrees, make it fast। Guys, whatever I'm giving you, every question is angles only, these all are angles, ये सब क्या है, these all are angles, first second third questions whatever I have given you, these all are angles, so those angles I'm just converting into degrees, those I'm converting into radians to degrees, degrees to radius, इधर से उधर फिरा के मार रहा है, उधर से इधर फिरा के मार रहा है, ठीक है समझ रहे हैं? अंडरस्टैंड आ रहा है, समझ
Yes,
में आ
sir.
रहा है? हाँ वेरी सिंपल बेटा, देखो एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग एंगल्स इनटू द रेडियंस। The first question is the fifth question, let us take fifth one, so ये क्या है 120 डिग्रीज है, सिक्स्थ वन देख लीजिए 600 डिग्रीज है, एंड सेवन्थ वन देख लीजिए -144 डिग्रीज है, जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस इन रेडियंस, टेल मी बेटा रेडियंस, देखो ये क्या है डिग्रीज में दिया है तो रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करना है, एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग एंगल्स इनटू रेडियंस, he is asking us to convert into radians, means what, indirectly he has given the angles in degrees, so इधर देखा ना, दिख रहा है ना, फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन डिग्री में है, डिग्री में है तो क्या करेंगे इसको 120 इंटू कैसे करेंगे, पाई बाई 180 से करेंगे, ठीक है, तो ये क्या होगा 0 0 चला गया, 6 2 जा 6 3 जा, सो हमारे को आंसर मिलेगा 2 पाई बाई 3, 2 पाई बाई 3, yes or no? yes or no?
Yes, sir.
600, so -600 है ना, -600 इंटू पाई बाई 180, देखो अगर सेम 0 0 कैंसिल हो गया, ठीक है आएगा 6 3 6 10, तो -10 5/3. Guys, any doubts here? Third question, make it fast. Tell me the answer of third one. Let us see who is going to give the first answer. Tell me. Don't take much time here. Tell me if you know or not. If you know, you just tell me that yes sir. If not, so I don't know. चलो फटाफट बताइए क्या है आंसर, क्या है इसका. Guys, these all are in PDF.
So
Sorry,
-12 pi by 15.
-12 pi by
15.
कैंसिल करके बताओ ना, सिंप्लीफाई करके बताओ ना. सिंप्लीफाई एंड टेल मी.
-4 pi by
-4 pi
by 3.
by 3 होता है क्या? नो.
Sir, -4 pi by 5.
वेरी गुड माँ, वेरी गुड. सो ये क्या होगा? -4 pi by 5 रेडियंस. ठीक है, ये होगा आंसर. ठीक है. हाँ, नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट, नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट एग्जांपल्स. एग्जांपल्स ऑन L इज इक्वल टू R थीटा. समझ रहे हैं? और एग्जांपल्स ऑन, लेट अस फाइंड आउट एग्जांपल्स ऑन थीटा इज इक्वल L by R. ये फॉर्मूला सीखे थे ना हम लोग. दिस फॉर्मूला हैव वी लर्नड? Yes or no? Angle is equal to L by R. L means what? Length of arc. So let us talk about one example here. Question. So guys, ये a horse is tied to a post by a rope. All right. If the horse moves along a circular, ठीक है, circular path always keeping the rope tight and describes 88 meter when it has traced out 72 degrees at the center. Find the length of the rope. Find the length of the rope. Interesting question, guys. So look at this. For this formula, what I told you, what was? Look at this was circle वहाँ, ये रेडियस था, ये भी रेडियस था, ये हमारा क्या था? एंगल था. ये क्या था? हमारा आर्क लेंथ था. दिस इज व्हाट माई, दिस इज माई आर्क लेंथ. ठीक है, एल था, ये आर था, ये आर था, ये टीटा था. इधर टीटा क्या था? टीटा इज इक्वल L by R था. ठीक है. दिस इज हाउ द फॉर्मूला वाज, राइट. सो व्हाट ही इज टेलिंग हियर, a horse is tied at a post by a rope. Horse को क्या किया गया यहाँ पे? This center, right? This is center and this is a tight rope. एक horse को बांधा हुआ है इधर. One horse is got tied with a rope. If the horse moves along a circular path, look at it. If horse move along a circular path, or you say that horse is tied up here. इधर एक horse है, उसको एक rope से, एक रस्सी से बांधा है. ठीक है, रस्सी से बंधा हुआ है. वो क्या कर रहा है? देखो, लेट अस से दिस A and this is B point. Okay, so from A to B it is going. Horse is going what? Look at this guy. Horse is, this is the center man. This is a nail. ओके एक पोस्ट को दिस लेट अस से दिस अ पोस्ट, दिस अ पोस्ट, एक पोस्ट से हार्स को बांधा है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज मूविंग फ्रॉम ए टू बी, हाउ मच, ए टू बी. व्हाट एंगल इज मेकिंग हियर, 72 डिग्रीज. एंगल कितना है, 72 डिग्रीज. कितना है, हाउ मच, हाउ मच. एंड कीपिंग rope tight and describe 80 to 88 meters when it has traced out 72 degrees. देखो what's happening here, when it is making 72 degrees, the distance between the point and point A and B is 88 meters given. All right, distance between the point A and B is given 88 meters. So now he is asking that, find the length of the rope, find the length of the rope he is asking. All right, length of the rope. Okay, so one second. No, horse is tied to the post by a rope if the horse moves along the circular path, keeping the rope tight, and describes 88 meters. अच्छा, हाँ, look at this, 88 meters. अरे यार बहुत सिंपल है, देखो. अरे 1 second, this is a okay. So now, what was the formula? Theta is equal to L by R. We have to find length. We have to find length. L is equal to theta into radius. Look at this here. Make it fast. How can you find it out? Tell me. Tell me, guys. Substitute here. What is theta? 72 degrees. What's happening here? Look at this. Whenever that rope, whenever the horse is moving from A to B, the rope is supposed to be tight only. So it has to maintain a common distance, I mean constant distance. For in order to keeping the rope tight, the horse should not move. See here, horse I say horse should not move. Look at this here, horse should not move from here ऐसे 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 जाके इधर इधर घूम के इधर नहीं आना चाहिए, ठीक है. If it is move like that, what will happen? It won't make a constant distance. It has to move like this so that the rope will be tight. No, इधर से इधर जाने में क्या बोल रहा है, rope will be tight. Guys, look at this here. This is my pole, okay, and here horse is here. If I am going straight path, what will happen? If I am going straight way, the rope will be get loose. Rope will be get loose. If I am going like this, this is my pole ma. Here horse is here, and I have to move. I have to reach here. If I am going like this, somewhat in an arc way, what will happen? So I'll be making that rope tight, and I'll be reaching the point B. All right. You just think practically. Okay. So what is the answer now? Tell me. Length of the rope. How many meters it has? Make it fast. What is L is equal to R into theta. What is R? What is R? Look at this. Try to understand what is R. R is what? Radius here. Tell me, guys, I just told everything. You have to substitute that sort. Keeping rope tight and describes 88 meters. It has given radius 88 meters. Not that arc length, 88 meters. When it traced out 72 degrees. Okay. Then find the at the center. Okay. At the center it is 72 degrees. Then find the length of the rope. Make it fast. Guys, how many have you done? Make it fast. Multiplication only you must do. Guys, what we have to do here? Theta is what? अरे यार कितना सिंपल है, अभी तो सीखे थे हम लोग. Theta is 72 degrees, right? देखो, theta is what? 72 degrees. Convert into radians. Convert into radius. What I have to do? 180 degrees. Sorry, convert into radians. It is in degrees, right? Convert into radians. Pi by 180 degrees. देखो क्या आएगा? 24 3s 24 5s no हाँ, तो ये क्या आएगा देखो, विच टेबल, 12 6 12 15 3 2s 3 5, so 2 pi by 15 आया. Theta is what now? 2 pi by 15 radians. Now substitute.
2 pi by 5, sir.
Sorry, 5. Yes, now substitute, find it out. देखो बेटा, L is equal theta कितना था? Theta कितना था? So how much theta? 2 pi by 5 into R how much? How much?
88.
88. Now find it out. First, for finding that we need radius, right? We need radius. What is the radius here?
Sir, the answer is 70, sir.
70. How? What is the radius? Tell me.
So just we should do 2 by 5 is equals to
Look at this, ma. Here theta is
Eight.
L is what? L how much given? L arc. L means what here? Arc length. Arc length by radius. What is? Tell me. Find it out now. Make it fast. 2 pi by 5. I got it. Yes or no? Tell me. You are Abhinay. You just continue. Now substitute and tell me, ma. Hello.
Sir, I just did cross multiplication, sir. R by 88 into 2 pi by 5.
He is asking the length of the rope. ये तो ये होगा हमारा length of the rope. Length of the rope क्या है? ये R है. समझ रहे हैं? This is my length of the rope. ये R is what? Indirectly this is radius, right? Radius only length of the rope, and yeah, this is what my L. Sorry, arc length. This arc length. Now tell me, that has been given how much? So length, guys, very important here. Look at this here. Length of the rope means radius here. Arc length he has given how much? Arc length he has given 88 meters. Okay. So what he has given? He has given L value. L value divided by R. So we have to find R value here. So how can I find out? So we should not find L value here. We should to find R value. We need to find R value. R value is equal to L by theta. Right? L is what? 88 by theta. 2 pi by 5 is equal to what I'm going to get here? L 88 by 2 pi into 5. Now tell me, substitute here in place of pi, what I must substitute? Tell me. Calculate yaar. 88 by 5 by 2 into 180. 44s. 5 ones. Not 44. Let it be in pi itself. Let it be in pi itself. So what is going to be the answer? How 70? How 70? Better how 70? Tell me. 88 into 5 how much? 88 into 5 how much? 440, isn't it? By 2 pi. 440 divided by 2 pi कितना आएगा? Done, guys? Done. Who told Anjali? What's your name? Who told 70? Hello. See, guys, this is my pole, ma. This is my pole. I just tied a horse here. So this is my radius. This is a rope, right? This is horse is going from here to this horse. What this horse is doing from here to here? It is going. Clear? This is point. Let us say here to here. The horse is going from here to here. Okay. Let us consider this as a horse. Here to here, the horse is going from here to here, right? So he's asking, what is the length of this rope? He's asking, what is the length of this rope? What is the length of this rope? He has given this is 72 degrees. He has given 88 meter arc. It is moving 88 meters arc. Length of the rope is what? Which means radius is what? What is the formula? Theta is equal to L by R. ठीक है, theta is equal to L by R. I need to find R value, L by theta. Theta is what? It is in radians. हाँ sir, it is in radians, so can't we keep it as it is into the degrees? Tell me guys. Hello, are you here? Are you guys here?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the answer? Did you get R value as 440 divided by 2 pi? How many of you got this? How many of you got 440? 440 meters by, हाँ. अरे यार, look at this, how easy it is भाई. Look at this, 440 divided by 2 into 22 by 7 बेटा. 2, ये तो हमारे को पता है ना, 22 by 7. 22 by 7 को करेंगे तो 3.14. We cannot substitute 3.14. See guys, you know, you just do one thing. I cannot teach you like every multiplication and addition, division, everything. Look at this here, 440 into 7 divided by 2 into 24. ठीक है, 2 22 ones 22 20s 2 ones 2 10s. so कितना सिंपल है बेटा. ये कैलकुलेशन नहीं आ रहा है आपको तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग. देखो कि सिंपल की, तो इतना मैंने इतना, आई एम जस्ट, दिस इज अ रेडियस. आई टोल्ड यू गाइस, रेडियस हम लोग ये फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए. ये रोप लेंथ है, ये हमारा रोप है, रस्सी से बांधा हुआ है ना, ये रस्सी से बांधा है ना. ये रस्सी का लेंथ क्या है वो फाइंड आउट करना है. ये रस्सी से बांधा है. हार्स इज मूविंग फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, व्हिच इज मेकिंग 88 meters, which is making a rope tight and it is moving 88 meters. So we have to find out what is the length of that particular rope. So length का मतलब क्या होता है इधर? R. Try to understand. Length मतलब it doesn't mean that L here. L is arc length over there. L is arc length. Radius, we have to find radius. So radius L by theta. So L value he has given, arc length 88, theta value 22 by, so 2 pi by 5 I got. So pi means 22 by 7. If I substitute, so I'm getting 70. As simple as that. I hope you understood this one. Any doubt guys? Any doubt children? Any
No,
doubt?
sir.
Now I'll give one more question. If in two circles arcs of the same write this question everyone. Same length subtend angles 60 degrees and 75 degrees at the center. Find the ratio of their radii. Two circles arc, see in two circles arc of the same length subtended 60 degrees and 75 degrees at the center. Find the ratio of the radii. We have to find radii here. See, look at this here. Let the length of the arc, let it be the length of the first arc. You say that length of the first arc is equal to length of the second arc. He only given, not let. The length of the first arc is equal to length of the second arc. He only given this. Why? Because he said the same length, right? Two circles arc at the same length. Arc is the same length. Arc has same length. Subtended 60 degrees and length of the first arc. So which means what? L is equal to theta r, right? L is equal to theta into r. That's all. L is equal to theta into r. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Why? Because I know theta is equal to L by r, right? So if I make L value, L is equal to theta into r. L is equal to theta into r, of course. So that's what I'm writing here. Here he said that, look at the question carefully. टू सर्किल्स आर्क, देखो ये एक सर्किल होगा, ये दूसरा सर्किल होगा, ठीक है, आर्क, दिस इज माय रेडियस, दिस इज माय रेडियस, दिस इज माय रेडियस, दिस इज माय रेडियस. सो व्हाट इज सेइंग हियर, टू सर्किल्स आर्क्स ऑफ सेम लेंथ, लुक एट ये दो सेम होगा, दिस आर्क एंड दिस आर्क सेम लेंथ, सबटेंडेड एट 60 डिग्रीज, ये होगा 60 डिग्रीज, ये होगा 75 डिग्रीज. लेट मी ड्रा इट क्लियरली. ये हो गया 60 डिग्रीज, ये हो गया 75 डिग्रीज, ठीक है. लेंथ ऑफ सी टू सर्किल्स आर्क सेम लेंथ, ये हमारा ये क्या है, ये लेंथ सेम ही है, ठीक है, दिस लेंथ इज सेम, आर्क लेंथ इज सेम, ही इज सेइंग दैट, बट एंगल्स इज डिफरेंट. एट द सेंटर इट इज मेकिंग 60 डिग्रीज एंड 75 डिग्रीज. सो फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ द रेडियस. सो आई नीड टू फाइंड, दिस इज, लेट अस से दिस इज R1, दिस इज R2, ठीक है. सो व्हाट आई नीड हियर, व्हाट आई डू, द फॉर्मूला इज दिस वन, I know the formula. What I all know is this formula. Clear? I know this formula now. Length of the first arc. Length of the first arc is what? Theta. First, let us write R1 into. We have to find ratio of the radius. We have to find ratio of the radius. So R1 into what is the theta here? Angle is how much? First angle 60 degrees. 60 degrees means pi by 3 in radians is equal to R2 into 75 degrees means how much? 75 degrees means how much? 5 pi by 12. How? Sir, 60 degrees can be written as 60 into pi by 180 बेटा, इसको कैलकुलेट कीजिए, एंड 75 इंटू पाई बाई 180 बेटा, ठीक है, कैलकुलेट कीजिए इसको. देखो क्या आ रहा है, 61 63, तो पाई बाई 3 मिल गया. सो ये क्या हो गया, 5 15, नहीं तो हम क्या करेंगे इसको, 15 5 75 15 12. सो वो आया 5 पाई बाई, ये आया हमारे को 5 पाई बाई 12. So this is what I'm getting. I'm getting 5 pi by 12. So that's what I'm writing here. What is this, guys? What is this? Angle. Angle I'm converting into radius. Angle is supposed to be always in radians only. So whatever, if he is given the angle if it is given in degrees, guys, you have to convert that particular thing into radians. Convert that thing into radians. I'm just converting into radians. Look at this here. After conversion, what I'm getting? Cancel this. So pi will get cancel here. ठीक है, 3 1 जा 3 4 जा, क्या बचा इधर, what I left with here. So R1 is equal to 5 times of R2, 5 by 4 times of R2, 5 by 4 times of R2, isn't it? So cross multiplication here, 4 times of R1 is equal to 5 times of R2. He's asking R1 divided by R2, how much? 5 by 4, 5 by 4, isn't it? So R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4 is the answer. Any doubt, children? Any doubt here? Tell me. Children, any doubt?
No, sir.
Very simple. So try to understand here. Two circles has been given. Angles are different, and it has same subtended arc. Same arc. It has the length of the. It has the arc which has the same length. It has the same arc, and making different angles at the center. Then what is the radius? What is the radius of this thing? What is the radius of these two circles he is asking. So I know the formula. Radius means what? I need to find radius here, or else we can calculate like this also. I need to find radius, right? Radius is equal to what is the formula? L by theta, right? So I need, for R1 I need to write L1 divided by theta 1, and for R2 I need to write L2 divided by theta 2. So I need to find R1 is to R2, right? So L1 divided by, so is to L2 divided by theta 2. What is L2 here? What is L2? Acha, L same length he has given. L1 L is same given here. So we have to find theta. Avada. So theta you cancel that, you will get it straight away. 5 pi by 12, same length. So we have to consider same length here. Consider the same length. Substitute, you will get it. So L by theta 1 to L by theta 2. So what I'm going to get here, L by theta 1 whole divided by L by theta 2. L cancel हो गया बेटा, क्या होगा, theta 2 divided by theta 1. Theta 2 क्या हो गया, What is my theta 2? 5 pi by 12 whole divided by pi by 3. Pi pi cancel हो गया. Understand? 3 ones 3 fours. देखो 5:4. This is how also you can solve it. This is also correct. Children, understanding my point? You understand? Any doubts? Hello?
No, sir.
Very simple. Chalo, next. We'll go for the next. And guys, everyone knows that now we have solved these questions, right? Now let us move with this one. Everyone knows this, right? Note the starting class itself, I just revised you that. So sine theta lies between from where to where, cos theta lies between from where to where. See here, always sine theta values will be, it won't be greater than 1 and it won't be less than -1. So it will be lies between these two. Understand? So sine theta and cos theta values, guys, always lies between -1 comma 1 for all theta values real. Theta value is supposed to be real numbers. So what is R here? R means set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Okay. So here very important note, this one. Very important. This is a very important note, guys. Chalo, now look at this. Did you copy this? Guys, now everyone write this one. Write this question. I mean, find this question. Sine 765. What is the answer of this? Make it fast. Guys, done? How can we write?
So 1 by root 2.
Huh?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. How did you solve this? It is in degrees, right? How can you convert into radians? How 1 by root 2? Tell me. So guys, I told you sine value repeats after an interval of 2 pi. It means after every 360 degrees, sine value will be repeating. Yes or no? So you have to ignore over there. You have to ignore something and go calculate it. Yes or no, guys? How many have you done this? 1 by root 2 is correct, guys. How did you solve? I'm asking.
So we can write 765 as 2 into 360 plus 45, sir. From that we get
Sorry, 2
sine
into.
45.
Sorry. Can you please come back?
So we can write 765 as 7 into 2 into 365 plus 45. Then we'll get 745, 7 sine 45 degrees, and then we'll get 1 by root 2.
Hey, Baba, why you are doing all this? Look at this. It is in degrees, right? So convert it to radius first. For converting into radians, pi by 180. Right? Cancel it. 5 ones, 5 fives, 5 threes, 5 threes, 5 6. Yes or no? 5 ones, 5, 5 5, 5 threes. Correct only. So 153 by 36. How much? So sine 153 pi by 36. Again, 3 ones, 3 12s. 3 fives, 3 ones. So 51 pi by 12. Yes or no? Yes, 1 second. Let me write neatly, guys. 1 second. So 536, 5 ones, 553. All right. So 3 12s, 351. Again, 3 fours, 3 fours, 320, 370. So what I got now? Sine 17 pi by 4. No, 17 pi by 4. Yes or no? 17 pi by 4. Clear? So guys, look at this. 17 pi by 4. How can I write this? 17 pi by 4. Guys, 17 by 4. 4 ones. Divide this. How much remainder? Can I write like this? 4 4 16. So remainder 1. Can I write like this? 4 1 by 4. Can I write 17 by 4 can be written in mixed fraction? 4 1 by 4. Can I write?
Yes.
Sine 4 1 by 4 pi. 4 1 by 4 means, guys, look at this as 4 plus 1 by 4. Yes or no? Can I write like this? 4 1 by 4 can be written as 4 plus 1 by 4. Anyhow, it gives same meaning. No. If you do, it is also 17 by 4. It is also, it means 17 by 4 only. Clear? So can I write now sine 4 pi plus 1 by 4 pi. Can I write like, guys? Sorry, 4 pi here. 4 pi plus 1 by 4 pi. So here now, can I write now sine 1 by 4 pi. So sine 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 180 degrees. 1 by 4 into 180 degrees. So sine 4 ones, 4 fours, 4 fives. So sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 is 1 by 4. This is how you can solve it. Clear? Any doubt? Sir, why you are right? Why you are neglecting 4 pi here? Why you are neglecting 4 pi? Guys, as I told you guys, look at this, very note here, very important note. values of sin x repeats after an interval of 2 pi. Clear? After interval of 2 pi. So therefore so 4 pi is what can be written 4 pi into 2 pi, right? So after every 2 pi it is repeating. After every 360 degrees means after every 2 pi. After 2, so 4 pi can be written as 2 into 2 pi. So which can be written as this is 4 pi, right? So I am ignoring that. However, it repeat the same value, right? So I'm just ignoring that. You can ignore if it is repeating. Sir, what you are talking, sir? So sine 0 is 0, ma. Sine 360 how much, ma? Again 0 only, ma. All right, let us calculate. Let us see sine 360 is what? Sine 360 मतलब इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Sin 270 plus 90, yes or no? Any doubt? 270 means it will change. Cos 90. Yes or no? Cos 90 is what here? 0. Sin 270 plus theta, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So minus 0 or plus 0, anything is same. So sin 360 also I'm getting the 0, and sin 0 also 0 only. Look at this. So 0 to 360. Now 360 plus 360. Again after 2 pi. 2 pi means 360 only, right? So 360 plus 360 how much? 720. So sin 720 you find it out. Sin 360 plus 360. Find it out. Sin 360 plus 360 plus theta, first quadrant. So sin 360 only. Sin 360 is what? 0 only again. Look at this sin. So therefore sin 720 also 0 only. Clear? Sin 720 also what now? 0 only, guys. Yes or no? So sin 720 also 0. Sin 0 also 0. Look at this here. Sin 0 0. Sin 360 0. Sin 720 0. So what's happening here? So after every 2 pi interval, 0 to 360 how much? 2 pi only, no? 360 to 720 how much? 2 pi only, no? 2 pi means how much? 360 degrees. What is the difference between 0 to 360? 360. 360 to 720, 360 only. So after every 2 pi interval, the sine value is repeating. Done, guys? Any doubt here? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So now sir, 320 plus 360. So 720 plus 360 how much? 1080. Let us find what is 1080. What is sine 1080, guys? Sine 1080 degrees is what? Tell me the answer, make it fast. What is the meaning of that? Guys, tell me. Tell me 1080. Make you should tell me the what. You should tell me the answer quickly, guys.
Sir, is it 0?
Sorry,
Is it 0 degrees?
how?
Sir, I did 360 plus theta is equal to 1080. So theta is equal to 1080 minus 360. So after doing that, I guess sine 720 and sine 720 is equal to 0 degrees.
Okay, good. What about others? Guys, absolutely it is 0 only. Why you are thinking it again, guys? Look at this. Let us solve that. इसको लिखेंगे 360 plus 720. ठीक है, 360 plus थीटा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, साइन विल बी साइन ओनली, साइन 720. तो फिर साइन 20 को क्या कैसे लिखेंगे? 360 plus 360. ठीक है, 360 plus थीटा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सो साइन विल बी साइन ओनली, साइन 360. साइन 360 तो सीधा उठा के जीरो मार दिया. देखो जीरो है ना साइन 360. देखो बेटा क्या आ रहा है इधर से, क्या समझ में आ रहा है? तो साइन फंक्शन इट विल रिपीट आफ्टर एवरी टू पे इंटरवल. देखो जीरो से 360 कितना? first at 0 degrees, after that again 0 value, sin 0 is 0, right? After again 2 pi radians it will repeat, which means 0 sin 0 is 0, so again at sin 2 pi again it will be 0, again at sin 720 which means 4 pi. All right, at 4 pi again at 4 pi matlab how much? 5 pi, 4 pi 5 pi like that. Clear? 2 pi. All right, so I think 4 pi, 6 pi, and it is repeating for every 2 pi interval. Clear? So that is what the concept. Any doubt, children, in here? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt, children? Hello guys, do you have any doubts here?
Sir,
Okay guys, now have we discussed yesterday a couple of properties? We did not discuss, no? You might be getting doubts, sir, from where we got sin theta, cos theta and everything. Please everyone copy this, guys. Very important. Guys, now next concept is what? Next concept. Let me 1 second. Let me turn on my light. 1 second. Sir, you told that sin all functions will be positive in the first quadrant. We are talking about circular system now. Let me explain you. Circular system. Guys, in 10th standard, we simply learnt sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, everything. But look at this here. Sir, okay, in quadrant system, in circular system is quadrant system. Let us talk about quadrant system. Already we have explained this thing, but let me clarify why we are learning that. Okay. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Clear? All right, guys. So if I take any point here, if I take any point which is called P, which is fixed distance, let us say this is my radius. It has some radius. Okay, R. Right now, what is this going to be now? And what this is going to be? This is going to be, of course, x-axis. This is going to be, of course, y-axis. So what is the point is going to be now? What is this point? What is this point? And x comma y. Yes or no? Yes or no, children? P is going to be what? X comma y. Now, guys, what I told you, trigonometry ratios I told you. Sin theta, the ear angle is making some angle. So what is sin theta here? What is sin theta? Guys, what is sin theta? What is sin theta? Tell me. Opposite by hypotenuse, isn't it? So opposite what here? Y by R. Y by R. So both are here, x and y both are positive or not? Here, guys, x comma y both are positive or not? So here y positive, R also positive, so sign will be positive. All right. So cos theta. What is cos theta here? Tell me. What is cos theta, guys? Hello? Guys, what is my cos theta going to be? You should tell me the answer. X by R. Yes or no? Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Yes, sir.
So x value is also positive here. So R also positive. So positive. Now tell me, what is tan theta? Guys,
Y by
tan
X.
theta. Sin is
By
positive, so cos is positive. Then tan theta, of course, positive. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now sin is positive. Sin is positive here. What is cosecant going to be? Cosecant also going to be positive. Why? Because sin theta means 1 by cosecant theta. Sin is positive means, of course, cosecant will be positive. Now cos positive means secant will be positive. Tan positive means cot also will be positive. Look at this. I'm talking about first quadrant, guys. In the I'm talking about first quadrant, right? I'm talking about first quadrant, right? I'm talking about first quadrant. In first quadrant here, x comma y, guys, x comma y, it has some distance on positive x-axis and positive y-axis. So p comma x comma y values are what here? Positive. So in first quadrant, what I told you, first quadrant, all trigonometric functions will be positive. Sir, how? What's the reason behind saying that? I told you. Now this is a proof for saying that. Clear? This is a proof. You understand, children? Any doubt? Any doubt here now? Koi doubt? Hello? Koi doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Very, very simple.
No, sir.
Now let us change this now. The first quadrant, all positive. सबको करोना पॉजिटिव आ गया फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में, जो भी है उसको सबको करोना पॉजिटिव, ठीक है, कोविड पॉजिटिव. देखो सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में जो भी है, देखो सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में लेट अस मेक ए पॉइंट हियर. पॉइंट पी ये हो गया हमारा रेडियस. देखो बेटा ये हमारा क्या हो गया एंड ये क्या हो गया. देखो व्हाट इज दिस डिस्टेंस, दिस फ्रॉम दिस एक्स एक्सिस टू व्हाट इज दिस डिस्टेंस. दिस इज माई हो गया वाई हो गया, ये हमारा होगा एक्स एक्सिस. ये क्या होगा पी कमा एक्स कमा वाई, ठीक है. पी क्या हो गया एक्स कमा वाई. एक्स कमा वाई ये देखो मुझे बताइए अभी ये क्या होगा. देखो पी माइनस एक्स कमा वाई है ना. एस आर नो? एस आर नो? वाई बिकॉज एक्स इज ऑन द सॉरी एक्स इज योर नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस. नो हियर दिस इज माय नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस. एस आर नो गाइस? एस आर नो बेटा? देखो इधर से टीटा बना रहे हैं हम लोग, इधर से टीटा बना रहे हैं, ठीक है. समझ रहे हैं? आ रहा है समझ? हेलो, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट नाउ. सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में देखिए क्या क्या होने वाला है. देखो सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में साइन देखिए. व्हाट इज साइन थीटा हियर सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट? व्हाट इज साइन थीटा बेटा? ऑपोजिट, दिस इज माई रेडियस राइट, दिस इज माई रेडियस। ऑपोजिट, ऑपोजिट क्या है इधर, y बाई हाइपोटेन्यूस। y तो पॉजिटिव है ना, y पॉजिटिव है तो साइन विल बी पॉजिटिव हियर, ठीक है। हाँ देखो, साइन पॉजिटिव है तो कोसेकेंट विल बी पॉजिटिव ना। कोसेकेंट क्या है, उल्टा, रिवर्स ऑफ उल्टा। साइन पॉजिटिव है तो कोसेकेंट तो ऑफकोर्स पॉजिटिव होगा भाई, यस और नो, समझ रहे हैं ना? हेलो, यस और नो, यस और नो गाइस?
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Now what is cos theta is going to be now? Cos theta is what? Adjacent. Adjacent क्या होता है इधर? Adjacent x हो गया भाई, सो नेगेटिव आएगा ना, नेगेटिव आ रहा है। देखो cos नेगेटिव है तो secant भी नेगेटिव होना चाहिए, उल्टा भाई। देखो अगर cos एक है तो secant क्या होगा, रेसिप्रोकल, ये भी एक ही हो ना, पॉजिटिव है ना। अगर cos नेगेटिव है secant भी नेगेटिव होगा ना, 1/1 माइनस वन, कितना, उल्टा, -1/1 कितना होता है, -1 ही होता है ना, रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो भी माइनस ही आएगा। हाँ देखो tan थीटा, व्हाट इज tan थीटा हियर बेटा? अगर साइन पॉजिटिव है, cos नेगेटिव है, tan थीटा तो साइन बाई cos है ना, तो पॉजिटिव डिवाइडेड बाई नेगेटिव। अरे यार नेगेटिव मिल जाएगा ना फिर से। देखो बेटा 2/-3, आंसर क्या मिलेगा, -2/3 मिलेगा ना, समझ रहे हैं ना? अगर पॉजिटिव डिवाइडेड बाई नेगेटिव करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, पॉजिटिव डिवाइडेड बाई नेगेटिव। इफ यू आर डूइंग दैट, सो again we are getting negative function only. Understand children? So that is what the concept here, you understand? Any doubt? So what I understood from this, in second quadrant sine and cosecant will be positive. That is what the reason why I was shouting at you, why I was stressing upon that same point again and again. This is the reason why in second quadrant क्या क्या positive होता है, sine and cosecant will be positive, remaining all functions will be negative. So अगर इधर देखो tan पॉजिटिव है, tan नेगेटिव है तो काट भी क्या होगा, काट भी नेगेटिव ही होगा। देखो सब नेगेटिव है एक्सेप्ट साइन एंड कोसेकेंट के अलावा, सब बाकी जो भी फंक्शन है सब क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा। किसमें, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में। अगर देखो बेटा थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में भी ऐसे ही प्रूव करना चाहिए, यू हैव टू प्रूव इन अ सिमिलर वे फॉर थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट एज वेल। ऑलराइट, you have to prove in similar way third quadrant as well. You understand children? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So these all are for first quadrant. I'm just talking the first quadrant का proof है ये सब, ठीक है। अगर थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में देखिए ये क्या होगा, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में देखेंगे हम लोग, what are the functions will be positive in third quadrant, tell me guys, I told you right? Disha, tell me what are the functions will be positive in third quadrant?
Sir, tan and cot.
Tan
And cot.
cot पॉजिटिव। इसका प्रूफ क्या है, प्रूफ क्या है हम लोग देखेंगे अभी। लेट अस मेक अ प्रूफ, लेकिन इसको पूरा रफ कर देंगे, इधर एरेज कर देंगे, एरेज करके हम लोग अभी देखेंगे इसका कमाल क्या है अभी, ठीक है। देखो अगर इसको इधर खींचो, इधर अगर एक रेडियस ले लो कोई एक पॉइंट, ठीक है, ये हो गया पॉइंट पी एक्स कमा वाई हो गया, समझ रहे बेटा? हाँ देखो इसको इधर इसको ये ले लेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारा एंगल, ठीक है। ये क्या हमारा नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस तो है ना, ये तो क्या है, ये क्या है, नेगेटिव वाई एक्सिस है ना, समझ रहे हैं? अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? एनी डाउट, एनी डाउट गाइस, एनी डाउट, एस आर नो?
No, sir.
देखो अभी थर्ड को, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट नाउ। मुझे बताइए अभी थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में साइन थीटा क्या होगा, साइन थीटा देखो इधर फ्रॉम दिस ऑपोजिट बाय हाइपोटेनस माइनस बाई सॉरी एक सेकंड, माइनस बाई हाइपोटेनस क्या है, रेडियस है ना, माइनस, तो ये क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा, साइन नेगेटिव होगा। साइन नेगेटिव है तो, साइन नेगेटिव है तो कोसेक भी नेगेटिव है, समझ रहे हैं? हाँ देखो कास, लेट अस फाइंड कास थीटा। कास थीटा का मतलब क्या होता है, एडजेसेंट, एडजेसेंट क्या है इधर, -x है ना, -x डिवाइडेड बाई हाइपोटेनियस, ये भी क्या आएगा, नेगेटिव आएगा। अगर कास नेगेटिव है तो कौन सा नेगेटिव होगा, इफ cos is negative then what is going to be negative, what also is going to be negative, secant, which function is also going to be negative, ठीक है, आ रहा है समझ? एनी डाउट गाइस? हाँ tan के बारे में देखिए हम लोग, tan थीटा, tan थीटा का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा, sin थीटा डिवाइडेड बाई cos थीटा, ठीक है। तो देखो sin थीटा क्या था, -π/r, cos थीटा क्या था, -x/r, r चले गया, माइनस माइनस चला गया, तो y/x, y/x मतलब क्या आया, पॉजिटिव आया, इसको मिल गया टर्न ऑफ पॉजिटिव, ठीक है। अगर tan पॉजिटिव है बेटा तो काट क्या होगा, cot theta also will be positive. यही तो प्रूफ है, इससे बड़ा कोई प्रूफ हो नहीं सकता है, यही इससे ये अच्छा बढ़िया बढ़िया प्रूफ है, ठीक है. This is how we are going to prove how the functions are going to be positive in respective quadrants. Understand, children? You understand? Hello? Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Look at this is a center here. So here the point P, this point is making like this move is rotating and around the circle. Look at this and making 360 degrees. Clear? So this up for the fourth quadrant. Let us prove what are the functions will be positive in fourth quadrant. Amruda, what's your name? Abhinaya. Abhinaya ji. Hello. Does she
Yes,
hear?
sir.
What are the functions will be positive in fourth quadrant?
Sir, cos theta and secant theta, sir.
Let us see. Look at this. कोई ना देखो इधर इधर से एक पॉइंट ले लो. ये होगा P. ये क्या होगा बेटा? देखो ये हमारा पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस हो गया. ये लेंथ क्या होगा बताइए मुझे? ये लेंथ क्या होगा? दिस लेंथ इज गोइंग टू बी नेगेटिव वाई. यस और नो? सो मेरा पॉइंट क्या होगा अभी? एक्स कामा माइनस वाई. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्या होगा? एक्स कामा माइनस वाई. ये हमारा होगा रेडियस. ये तो रेडियस ही है ना, ये रेडियस ही है ना बेटा, ये रेडियस ही होगा ना सर्किल का. समझ रहा है? सेंटर से रेडियस ही होगा ना. यस और नो? यस. अभी देखो इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट व्हाट आर द थिंग्स विल बी पॉजिटिव. लेट अस सी. फर्स्ट we'll write only sin and cos. After that everything will be very easy, right? Fourth quadrant, let us talk about fourth quadrant. ठीक है, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट के बारे में बात करेंगे. फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट गाइस, sin theta is what here? Here theta is here guys. What is sin theta? Opposite. What is opposite? माइनस वाई बाई आर. तो क्या होगा? साइन थीटा नेगेटिव होगा इधर. गाइस व्हाट इज साइन थीटा? साइन थीटा इज और माइनस वाई बाई आर. ऑपोजिट बाय हाइपोटेन्यूस, तो नेगेटिव आ गया. साइन नेगेटिव है तो कोसेकेंड भी क्या हो गया? कोसेकेंड इज आल्सो नेगेटिव. देखो हम लोग अभी कॉस करेंगे. कॉस थीटा. व्हाट इज कॉस थीटा? कॉस थीटा क्या है इधर? एडजेसेंट बाय हाइपोटेन्यूस. एडजेसेंट ये होगा एडजेसेंट. ठीक है, एडजेसेंट एक्स बाई आर. ये होगा पॉजिटिव. ये कास पॉजिटिव है तो सीकेंड भी पॉजिटिव होगा. ऐसा नो? ऐसा नो? अगर देखो टैन, देखो बेटा साइन पॉजिटिव है, साइन नेगेटिव है, टैन पॉजिटिव है, तो टैन क्या होगा? नेगेटिव होगा. अगर टैन नेगेटिव है तो कॉट भी नेगेटिव होगा. ठीक है, कॉट भी नेगेटिव. cot is also going to be negative. All right children, any doubt? If tan is negative then cot is also going to be negative. So here cos theta secant theta will be positive in the fourth quadrant. Yes or no? Yes or no children? Any doubt? So this is a basic, this is a proof of your quadrant system. Any doubt? Any doubt children? कोई doubt यहाँ? Guys, any one of you have doubts? Do you have any doubts
No,
here?
sir.
So we have spoken about many things guys. So yes, चलो बढ़िया है, बढ़िया है. ठीक है. Do you want me to ask anything guys apart from this? Guys, do you want to ask anything? Do you want me? Do you want? Guys, do you want anything? Do you want me to explain anything apart from these guys? Do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes. Okay guys, this is the basic thing which we have learned today. So next session we'll be discussing about couple of few more problems and we'll come up with the next concept. Until then, goodbye and don't leave the meeting now. Please wait कीजिए and thank you for that. Wait. Thank you guys. Let me stop recording 1 second. Thank you everyone. Before coming to the session, everyone make sure that you guys are revising all the concepts and coming to the next class. I'm going to ask the questions. Whatever we have gone through this session, I'm going to ask each and every part. Clear? So make sure that you are learning each and everything. Anjali has set the meeting, when did she leave the meeting, man? She has to be here, man. She has to be here. So then only she can understand. Okay, guys. So please, next session, probably day after tomorrow, everyone has to join. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.